Engineers, along with Mr. Brown and Chief Millard, I want to take a moment to recognize and congratulate our 2025 Air Force Civil Engineer Individual Award winners. Whether supporting operations overseas or sustaining installations at home, you set the standard for performance and deliver it every time. At its core, this recognition is about readiness. Civil engineers ensure our airmen have the reliable infrastructure and necessary protection required to generate and sustain air power. That work is essential to fly, fix, fight, and extends across every mission set. Starting with our officers, your leadership set the conditions for your teams to succeed. You turn intent into action, clear obstacles, ensure airmen have what they need to execute the mission. Thank you for leading with clarity and purpose. Now I would like to introduce our award winners. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, Flight Commander category, Captain Lorana Musalter, 316th Civil Engineer Squadron, Joint Base Andrews. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, Staff Officer category, Senior Master Sergeant Kenneth Buchanan, 7th Air Force, Osan Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year Award, CGO category, Captain Stone Miller, 4th Civil Engineer Squadron, Seymour Johnson Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civil Engineer Publication, Major General Augustus Minton Award, Lieutenant Colonel Alexis Johnson, United States Indo-PACOM, Camp Smith, Hawaii. The recipient of the Outstanding Staff Action Officer, Major General William Gilbert Award, Officer category, Lieutenant Colonel Craig Poulin, Headquarters Combat Forces Command, Peterson Space Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Senior Military Leader, Society of American Military Engineers Newman Medal, Colonel John Riker, 1st Air Force, Tyndall Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Field Grade Officer, Major General Dean Fox Award, Major Jason Hernandez, 7th Civil Engineer Squadron, Dyess Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Military Airman, Major General Eugene Lupi Award, Company Grade Officer category, Captain Washington Morales Rosales, 36th Contingency Response Squadron, Anderson Air Force Base.
I'd like to take a moment to address our enlisted airmen. This recognition reflects how you lead and execute every day. Your consistency, accountability, and commitment to the mission are what makes our teams effective and our force strong. Thank you for the leadership that you provide and the example you set across the CE community. Now, I'd like to introduce our award winners. The recipient of the Outstanding Airman Dorm Leader and Unaccompanied Housing Manager, Major General Joseph Ahern Award, Military Airman category, the Staff Sergeant Tristan Pruitt, 718th Civil Engineer Squadron, Kadena Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Airman Dorm Leader and Unaccompanied Housing Manager, Major General Joseph Ahern Award, Senior Military Airman category, is Senior Master Sergeant Kimberly Roberts, 82nd Civil Engineer Squadron, Shepherd Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, Airman category, is Senior Airman Kalon Duke, 99th Civil Engineer Squadron, Nellis Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, NCO category, is Staff Sergeant Brianna Pickens, 22nd Civil Engineer Squadron, McConnell Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Military Firefighter of the Year Award is Senior Airman Jacob Meyer, 100th Civil Engineer Squadron, RAF Mildenhall. The recipient of the Outstanding Military Fire Officer of the Year, Chief Master Sergeant Hoyt Sanders Award, is Senior Master Sergeant Aaron Strayhorn, 35th Civil Engineer Squadron, Nassau Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Fire Service Instructor of the Year Award is Ms. Tiana Bykowski, 775th Civil Engineer Squadron, Hill Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Firefighter Heroism, Senior Master Sergeant Robert McAllister Award, is Mr. Matthew Hattie, 422nd Civil Engineer Squadron, RAF Croton. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year Award, Airman category, Senior Airman Jerry Grant, 4th Civil Engineer Squadron, Seymour Johnson Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year Award, NCO category, is Tech Sergeant Sean Stanley, 633rd Civil Engineer Squadron, Joint Base Langley, Eustis. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year, Staff, Enlisted category, is Master Sergeant Ryan Vaughn, 9th Air Force, Shaw Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year Award, Senior Non-Commissioned Officer category, is Master Sergeant Matthew Workoff, 90th Civil Engineer Squadron, F.E. Warren Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Staff Action Officer, Major General William Gilbert Award, enlisted category is Tech Sergeant Kyle Gurgel, 9th Air Force, Shaw Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Enlisted Leader, Society of American Military Engineers, Goddard Medal, is Senior Master Sergeant Daniel Hofstetler, 366th Training Squadron, Shepherd Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Superintendent, Chief Master Sergeant Larry Daniels Award, is Senior Master Sergeant Ricky Craney, 36th Civil Engineer Squadron, Anderson Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Military Airman, Major General Eugene Luppi Award, Airmen category, is A1C Colin Wyatt, 99th Civil Engineer Squadron, Nellis Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Military Airman, Major General Eugene Luppi Award, Non-Commissioned Officer category, is Tech Sergeant Nathan Cortan, 633rd Civil Engineer Squadron, Joint Base Langley, Eustis. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, Senior Non-Commissioned Officer category, is Master Sergeant Shelley Vincent, 39th Civil Engineer Squadron, Insular Air Base.
Now I'd like to address our civilian professionals. Your experience and technical judgment give civil engineer airmen the continuity they need to deliver every day. You support complex work, inform decisions, and maintain the standards that keep our installations mission ready. This recognition reflects the important role you play in supporting operational excellence. Now I would like to introduce our award winners. The recipient of the Outstanding Emergency Manager Award, civilian category, is Mr. Yuki Nara, 35th Civil Engineer Squadron, Misawa Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding EOD Master Blaster of the Year Award, Staff Officer, civilian category, is Mr. Marshall Montoya, Headquarters United States Global Strike Command, Barksdale Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Fire Officer of the Year Award is Mr. Richard Madison, 354th Civil Engineer Squadron, Eielson Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Firefighter of the Year Award is Mr. Luke Koskalowski, 90th Civil Engineer Squadron, F.E. Warren Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Senior Civilian Leader, Society of American Military Engineers Newman Medal is Mr. Harley Connors, Air Force Civil Engineer Center, Tyndall Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Manager, Mr. Harry P. Reitman Award, WS 13 and above category, is Mr. Dae-Jun Kang, 51st Civil Engineer Squadron, Osan Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Manager, Mr. Harry P. Reitman Award, GS 13 and 14 category, is Mr. Paul Edwards, 509th Civil Engineer Squadron, Whiteman Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Staff Action Officer, Major General William D. Gilbert Award, civilian category, is Mr. David Kovacs, 9th Air Force, Shaw Air Force Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Airman Dorm Leader and Unaccompanied Housing Manager, Major General Joseph A. Ahern Award, civilian unaccompanied housing manager category, is Mr. John Michael Cabardo, 36th Civil Engineer Squadron, Anderson Air Force Base. Now I would like to finish with the Outstanding Civilian Airman, Ms. Kathleen I. Ferguson Awards. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Airman Award, Non-Supervisor Technical category, is Ms. Arlene Soto Maldonado, 86th Civil Engineer Squadron, Ramstein Air Base. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Airman Award, Non-Supervisory Technician category, is Mr. Gregory LeBlanc, 823rd Red Horse Squadron, Hurlburt Field. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Airman Award, Supervisor, Junior Level category, is Mr. Robert Butler, 100th Civil Engineer Squadron, RAF Mildenhall. The recipient of the Outstanding Civilian Airman Award, Supervisor Mid-Level category, is Mr. Eric Mueller, 460th Civil Engineer Squadron, Buckley Space Force Base.
Congratulations again to all our annual award winners and to the hundreds of nominees who represent the very best of who we are as airmen engineers. Thank you for what you've done over this past year to ensure that our airmen and installations are ready today and ready tomorrow. Engineers, lead the way.